Hey guys, it's Hannah here and I am back with another plan with me. I'm really trying to make this a weekly thing and I am really excited because it's actually February now. I'm filming this on the 1st of February. It's a Friday and I just finished my work day, so that means I do still have kind of work in mind. Hopefully I'll be able to plan according to that, but we'll see. I do think this week is going to be a before the pen week once again though, because I liked not having too much filled in last week because I do kind of go more day by day than week by week, and I don't want to fill out stuff that's not gonna happen on a certain day. So yeah, I do think though that I am going to make this plan with me mostly time-lapse. Actually I think after this intro I am going to make it time-lapse, mostly because I have somewhere to be and I've noticed that it takes me even longer to plan when I'm talking to you guys, so this time it's gonna have to be a little shorter. So but I still want to show you my process. So either way, because it's February, I'm starting with my Valentine's kit, and this week this is what I am going to use. It is the Hello Petite paper and it's called Romance, very appropriately. I did buy this one pretty recently actually. It's a gorgeous, I guess it doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's, but it really does remind me of that, so it's very appropriate for this month. I do have another Valentine's Day kit though that I want to use, but I'm saving that for the actual Valentine's week, so yeah. But here's this kit. I love it. I'm also planning on using these washes here. These are all from Simply Gilded. We have a hot pink, I think it's called a tropical pink with champagne gold bows, as well as a champagne gold on blush pink, as well as all these are champagne gold, but also the blush pink, what's it called, the mini bows, the 10mm. So yeah, I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it all, but at least I have it here. So yeah, and here was last week when I did the plan with me. It did actually look very empty and the thumbnail wasn't very nice because you couldn't really see much, but as you can see now it's filled up quite a bit, and for spaces that it didn't, like I didn't have anything to put there, I just added some extra washi because I love washi, and it's a good way to use my washi too. Either way, so taking out here, having them blank, once again it is my week on one page that I designed myself, and I have my Happy Scrappy Notes page here as well. So putting my planner away, and let's just get started. Alright guys, so this is how the upcoming week, my upcoming work week, is turning out so far, and I'm actually loving it. So I just want to walk through really quickly what I did and what I didn't do before I finish this video. So by the way, I think I did this in under an hour, which is kind of a record for me. Of course this video is a lot shorter because it was time-lapse, but either way, so I did kind of the same concept as you can see here with everything. I did use some washi as headers. I love to do that. It's a good way to use my washi. Also to add some foil. I added a lot more foil this week. Well, maybe not. I think I'm gonna add even more though. I'm thinking that for spaces where I don't put like half boxes or quarter boxes, I'm gonna use some of this washi to kind of cover up the white space. I usually like being very matchy-matchy, but I really did stick to the colors. And while I have been adventuring out more, trying to do more like mixing metals, I really do love when all the metals match. So champagne gold this week, love it. Lots of pinks. I realize here that there is no blue, and here there's quite some blue. So we'll see. Also, I was so satisfied that I was able to continue using the same date dots that I used last week, because this blue color was very similar to the blue in the macarons here, as you can see. Because I didn't have the Sunday, because I can only go to Saturday, you know, I had them here, so the third is one leftover dot. That's okay, one day is fine. But I hate it when like I start using one of these and I can't continue. Hopefully next week, or I guess the week after this one, I'll be able to pull in the rest, because that would make me just so satisfied. But we'll see. Either way, so usually you're supposed to put a matching dot that came on the sheet, you know, like these, but I decided not to this time. Yeah, it's very white right now, but as you can see from last week, it's gonna fill up throughout the upcoming week, and of course I will share with you the finished product in my next plan with me, or you can follow me on Instagram at Hannas_Haven_, and I will probably post the finished picture there if I happen not to do a plan with me next week. Either way, I'm really excited for this week. I love all the pinks and I love macarons. I decided to use all the macaron full boxes this time. And yeah, I hope you like this video too. Let me know what you think of the format. So far, I've done videos that are all time-lapse, all real-time mixed with time-lapse, as in I talk through the process, but sometimes I speed through the process. Or this time where there's me talking in the intro, time-lapse in the middle, and me talking about what I did a little afterwards. So it's a lot of different styles. We'll see. Let me know what you like or what you don't like. I'm trying to find the best fit here for all of us. So yeah. But yeah, that's it, I think. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now.